welcome to our YouTube channel Just Learning. Today I am going to discuss how to calculate volume of cylinder, cone and sphere by method of integration. Before calculating volume of cylinder or cone or sphere, first let us have a basic of this one is your x-axis, this one is your y-axis. X and y axis are meeting at origin, that is 0, 0. Now when we rotate a curve y equal to fx, around x axis and point out this one a comma 0 and this one is your ordinate of this one is b comma 0. So when we rotate this curve y equal to fx around x axis, then what we get? We get a solid, and the volume of this solid is to be calculated. So what I am going to do, from origin we take a dx, width of dx element, and and the formula for calculating volume when a curve is revolved around x axis, that is given by pi, that is constant, integration y square into dx. Right? When curve rotates around y-axis, then volume of this solid generated, that is given by pi x square into dx. For this limits from a to b, when we rotate this curve y equal to fx around x-axis. Now we have to calculate volume of cylinder when we rotate AB around x-axis. This one is x-axis. So let us take origin is 0, 0 and height of this cylinder is h. So coordinate of this point is h comma 0. Now let us take radius of this cylinder is r. So coordinate of point A would be 0, x is 0, and this one is r. So 0 comma r, and coordinate of B would be h comma r. So what I am going to do? I am going to calculate volume of this cylinder when this y equal to fx. What is y equal to fx? This line AB rotates around OB dash. This one is OB dash. So first we have to calculate equation of line AB. Coordinate of A is 0 comma r, coordinate of B is h comma r. So this 0 is x1, r is y1, h is x2, r is y2. So we will use formula equation of line, that is equal to y minus y1, that is equal to y2 minus y1, divide by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So we will put these value. Y1 value is r, that is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 is r, y1 is r, that means r minus r, divide by x2 is h, x1 is 0, h minus 0, x minus x1 is 0. So r minus r is 0, so this whole thing becomes 0. So 0 multiplied x minus 0, that would be 0. That implies y minus r equal to 0. that implies y equal to r. So the curve is y equal to r, and r is the radius of this circle, right? So use formula y equal to pi y square into dx. So you can see x is from 0 to h, so limit would be 0 to h, and y is r is constant, r square into dx, that is equal to pi r square is constant 0 to h dx, and integration of dx is x, so pi r square x, limit from 0 to h, so that is equal to pi r square, upper limit is h minus lower limit 0, that is equal to pi r square h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now here I am going to calculate volume of cone. तो कोन कैसे बन रहा है, आप देख रहे हैं ये x एक्सेस है और ये y एक्सेस है, तो कोऑर्डिनेट ओ के क्या होंगे 0, 0। एच क्या है, हाइट ऑफ कोन, तो ये जो बी डैश पॉइंट है इससे कोऑर्डिनेट हो गए h, 0। आर है रेडियस ऑफ कोन, तो इस बी के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो गए h, आर। ओ बी लाइन ओ बी दैट इज y इक्वल टू एफ एक्स, दैट इज कर्व, और ओ बी को हम रोटेट कर रहे हैं अराउंड x एक्सिस। तो हमें पहले कर्व का इक्वेशन निकालना होगा। कर्व किससे बन रहा है, कर्व बन रहा है ओ बी से, तो ओ के कोऑर्डिनेट हैं 0, 0, बी के कोऑर्डिनेट है h, आर। तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ए बी क्या हो जाएगा, y माइनस y1 इज 0, दैट इज इक्वल टू ये x2 है, ये y2 है, ये x1 है, y1, y2 यानी r माइनस y1 इज 0 डिवाइड बाई x2 यानी h माइनस 0 इंटू x माइनस x1 इज 0, दैट इम्प्लाइज y इक्वल टू r अपॉन h इंटू x। वी नो formula to calculate volume, that is given by pi into y square dx. Now put the value of y from here, that implies v equal to pi r upon h into x का square into dx. Limit is from 0 to h. x की लिमिट कहाँ हो गई, 0 to h, right? So v equal to pi, this thing becomes r square upon h square into x square, so r square upon h square is constant, taking outside 0 to h into x square dx. So integration of x square is x cube upon 3, that is equal to pi r square upon h square into x cube upon 3, limit from 0 to h. तो आप देख रहे होंगे क्या हो रहा है, पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन एच स्क्वायर, 3 इज कांस्टेंट तो उसको बाहर ले लिया, अपर लिमिट यानी x की जगह h रखेंगे तो एच क्यूब, माइनस लोअर लिमिट x की जगह 0 रखेंगे माइनस 0 क्यूब, क्या हो जाएगा पाई अपॉन 3 आर स्क्वायर अपॉन एच स्क्वायर इंटू एच क्यूब। तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, that is the volume of cone formed by a curve y equal to fx, and the equation of curve is given by equation of line OB. Now come to next topic, to calculate the volume of sphere. You can see from here y axis, x axis 0, 0. Now I am going to draw a small element dx, that is x from origin, and you can see y is the radius of circle and this one is your y. So from here From perpendicular theorem, you can write down perpendicular square y square plus base square, that is equal to hypotenuse square. So we can write the equation of this, that is x square plus y square, that is equal to r square. So from here we can get y square, that is equal to r square minus x square. Or we can write y equal to fx, that is equal to under root r square minus x square. That is the equation of curve. And by rotating this around x axis, we will get what? Sphere. We know volume, that is given by pi into y square into dx. So value of y square is this one. So put this value, pi into r square minus x square into dx. Now you can see the limit of x is from minus r to plus r. So we can write the limit minus r to r. Now here you know pi into minus r to r square into dx minus pi minus r to r x स्क्वायर इंटू डी एक्स अलग अलग कर दिया. अब ये क्या आर स्क्वायर कॉमन है तो बाहर ले लिया, पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर टू आर डी एक्स माइनस पाई इंटू माइनस आर टू आर डी एक्स. अब ये क्या है आप देख रहे होंगे. और इफ फंक्शन इज इवन देन वी कैन राइट इफ एफ एक्स इज इवन. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब होगा एफ माइनस एक्स दैट इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स देन इट इज इवन. देन वी कैन राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज ट्वाइस टाइम्स 0 to r. So that means pi into 2 r square 0 to r dx minus x square is again even function, so we can write 2 pi 0 to r x square dx. That is equal to 2 pi r square integration dx is x 0 to r minus 2 pi integration of x square is x cube upon 3 0 to r. That is equal to 2 pi r square into r minus 0 minus 2 pi upon 3 is constant into r cube minus 0. तो क्या हो गया ये देखो 2 pi r cube minus 2 pi upon 3 into r cube. अगर इसको करोगे डिवाइड बाई 1 तो क्या होगा 6 pi r cube minus 2 pi r cube डिवाइड बाई 3 that is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That is the volume of sphere. So recap is whenever we are going to calculate volume we will use this formula volume that is equal to limit from a to b pi y square into dx y equal to fx. That is function जिसको हम रोटेट करते हैं x के अराउंड. तो इन सिलेंडर y क्या हो गया r हो गया कांस्टेंट रेडियस लिमिट कहाँ से 0 to h और वॉल्यूम क्या आ जाएगा पाई r स्क्वायर. फॉर कोन fx is rx upon h and limit from 0 to h you will get volume 1 upon 3 pi r square h. in the sphere में क्या होगा आपका फंक्शन y equal to fx that is equal to under root r square minus x square limit from minus r to r and you will get volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So for more videos please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.